Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today is a special video guys. I know you all have been waiting for this video since a long time. You all might be interested in what gadgets and what tech stuff I've been carrying to my Australia trip. That's right, today I'm going to show you what's in my tech bag. So let's get started. So let's first start with the bag I'm using guys. I'm using the Asus Tech Pro Tech bag. Okay, so let's open it and check it out. Let's go with the central zip first. Here we go. It opens up like this. Very nice orange color. Over here you've got the laptop section. The laptop I'm using is the Asus ZenBook. The model is UX430. It's a very good laptop guys. It's very thin, just check out the thickness. Very useful for video editing. So thank you Asus for this. Without this I couldn't have made all these travel videos in Australia. Thank you very much for this. And let's see, yeah, over here I've got all my cables and stuff. Micro USB to USB, regular USB type cable. It's a very long cable, so no worries about the distance. I also have few chargers, a normal charger, a quick charger, a Type-C cable also. That's because I'm using the Type-C phones. All the stuff over here, and laptop adapter for charging, and a mains cord. These are all the cables and stuff I'm carrying in the back pocket. Okay, I've got some documents, my travel documents over here. And over here I've got a hard disk. It's a 1 TB Seagate hard disk, USB 3.0. Few SD cards. One is 64 GB right now in the camera. This is a spare 32 GB one. And that's it over here guys, nothing else over here. Let's open the front zip and check it out. You've got a zip over here at the middle. And this is a Lenovo power bank. It's a 10,000 milliampere one. You definitely need power banks, especially when you're traveling. And what else do we got over here? Yeah, and let me tell you about the action camera I've been using. I'm using the SJCam SJ7 Star. Very good action camera. You can shoot in 4K. Awesome. Few tripods and stuff like this phone holder. You never know when you need this. Okay, let me just put them back. In the zip, I'm carrying a few tripods. I'll just leave links to these tripods in the description box. You can get it from there. And coming to the phones, 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. The phone I'm using for this trip is the Moto Z2 Force. Awesome phone. When you pair it with the Moto mod, the power mod, turbo power pack mod, you get excellent battery life. I have not charged my phone since the last 2 days. I've just used the phone and the power bank to charge it back. Super awesome. There's also one more phone. Let me show you. This is the Asus Zenfone Zoom S phone guys. It has 5000 milliampere battery and a 4K shooting camera on the front. It's a 13 megapixel camera. Shoot some awesome photos. And let me tell you, in the last 10 days I've charged this phone only 3 times. How awesome is that? Excellent battery life. Thank you Asus for this phone also. They gave me this for the Australia trip. Very useful. I've been using this and these 2 phones all the time. And talking about the gimbal guys, I'm using the Zhiyun Smooth Q. It's very lightweight, portable, easy to carry. It fits in my bag without any problem. And I was shooting videos with the Moto Z2 Force and this Smooth Q gimbal. Awesome combination. So these are all the items I had in my tech bag. All of them are pretty useful, very nice gadgets. So did you like this video? Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.